Once upon a time, Buddha was sitting peacefully with his disciples. One of them asked, "Disciple, Lord, how can we control our anger?" Buddha smiled and said, "Buddha, I will tell you a story. By listening to it, you will learn how to control your anger." And so, Buddha began the story. Once upon a time, there lived a woman in a village. She was quick to anger and would often say hurtful things. But when her anger subsided, she would feel deep regret. Her family was deeply troubled by her temper, and their home was always filled with arguments. One day, a wandering sage came to her door seeking alms. The woman welcomed him and shared her problem. "Woman, oh wise one, I get angry so quickly. No matter how hard I try, I cannot control it. Please help me find a solution." The sage smiled, took out a small bottle from his bag, and handed it to her. "Sage, this is a medicine for anger. Whenever you feel angry, place 4 drops on your tongue and hold it there for 10 minutes. Do not open your mouth during this time, or the medicine will lose its effect." The woman agreed and began using the medicine as instructed. Within 7 days, the woman noticed a change. She no longer lost her temper, and peace returned to her household. When the sage visited her again, she fell at his feet in gratitude. "Woman, your medicine is miraculous, O wise one. I no longer get angry, and my family is at peace." The sage chuckled softly and revealed the truth. "Sage, my daughter, the bottle contained nothing but water. You have not controlled your anger with medicine, but by keeping silent. In those moments of silence, you allowed your anger to dissolve." After finishing the story, Buddha said, "Buddha, anger can only be controlled through silence. When we speak in anger, our words can ignite more conflict and cause lasting pain. But silence helps us pause, reflect, and regain our composure. In life, moments of anger are inevitable. But if we learn to pause, to stay silent during those moments, we can prevent unnecessary hurt and regret. This is Words of Wisdom Stories. Thank you for watching, and keep smiling.